Our passion for bicycles began many years ago when two young riders, Martí Vila and Martí Subirana, met in high school. We shared a deep love for mountain biking, extreme sports, entrepreneurship, and spending hours in the workshop, creating all kinds of inventions and gadgets with our own hands. Both of us have competed at the national Enduro level in the Catalan Cup, where Martí Subirana achieved multiple top 10 finishes. Over the years, we realized a harsh reality. Bicycle prices were out of control. Big brands took advantage of riders' passion to inflate prices beyond reasonable limits. This is where Sumitt Bikes was born. Our goal is clear: to offer high-performance bikes at the lowest prices on the market. We want to prove that it is possible to own a quality bicycle for around 1,500 euros, something that seems impossible today. To achieve this, we innovate in different areas. One of them is material recycling. We recover and reuse aluminum to manufacture our own components, reducing fixed costs and making the process more sustainable. Additionally, we have designed our frames using common industrial standards, allowing any rider to find spare parts such as bolts or bearings at any hardware store or online for less than 40 euros. We do this without compromising performance or quality. Our frames are made of robust aluminum alloys, providing greater than necessary strength to ensure additional safety and a longer lifespan. Our challenge is to certify this quality with ISO testing in the coming years. In summary, we are creating the bikes we always wish we could buy, aesthetically appealing, featuring the latest suspension performance improvements with a pioneering system calculated to the millimeter, all at a fair price. While competitors sell you a rigid bike with basic components for the same cost, we offer a full suspension frame with high-quality components. Moreover, we provide customization options. Each customer can choose whether to receive the bike fully assembled or in parts, further reducing the final price. This is Sumitt Bikes. Bikes made by riders for riders. To manufacture some of the structural components of our first prototype, we explored different aluminum casting techniques. We knew this process would allow us to create strong and customized parts, but it was also a technical challenge that required numerous tests and adjustments. We started by building our own foundry furnace, repurposing a gas cylinder and lining it with refractory cement to withstand the high temperatures needed to melt aluminum. After several tests, we successfully created a functional furnace capable of working with recycled aluminum, allowing us to reuse materials and better control the process. Our initial idea was to manufacture frame tubes using casting, creating specific molds to achieve the necessary shapes. However, after several attempts, we realized this technique didn't make sense for this application. The resulting tubes lacked the necessary mechanical properties, and the process was neither efficient nor precise enough. Despite this, we saw that casting could be very useful for other components. So, we experimented with producing aluminum ingots and cylindrical rods, which we could later machine using a lathe and milling machine to obtain high-precision parts. This technique allowed us to manufacture many key parts of the first prototype, such as a head tube, swing arm, and the housing to the axles. Another key improvement was refining the quality of the cast aluminum. We experimented with different alloy combinations and various pouring methods to achieve a purer and stronger material. This helped us reduce porosity and improve the durability of the cast components. This experimentation process allowed us to better understand the possibilities and limitations of aluminum casting in bicycle manufacturing. Thanks to these tests, we were able to apply the knowledge gained to improve our production system and ensure that every frame component meets the quality and performance standards we aim for at Sumitt Bikes. This is Sumitt Bikes' first finished aluminum prototype, the result of months of design, testing, and adjustments. A frame designed for strength and performance, made from 7,000 series aluminum and solid cast components to ensure maximum durability at critical points. Among its key features, we have the head tube and swing arm, both manufactured using aluminum casting to create a strong and long-lasting structure. We also incorporated high-precision machine parts in the rear axle housing, optimizing stiffness and reliability. If we look at the top tube on the underside, you can see small marks left by the press during the tube bending process. These marks were one of the first improvements we identified, and in future models, we have perfected the press molds to eliminate them completely. In the lower tube area, you can also see cuts at the curved sections. At the time, this was the most efficient way we found to achieve the necessary bends. However, we knew we could improve this process, so we designed and built our own tube bending machine for future models. This first prototype was already fully functional, but like any innovation process, we found aspects to improve. Some pivot points were slightly off from the exact positions calculated in the design phase, with small misalignments of just a few millimeters that slightly affected the suspension's performance. These details have helped us evolve and refine every component further. With this first prototype, we decided to take a step forward and present it in an entrepreneurship competition organized by renowned finance YouTuber Adrian Saenz, who has over 3 million subscribers on YouTube. This event gave us a fantastic opportunity to showcase our project to a much larger audience and validate our vision in front of experts and investors. Thanks to this experience, our social media presence, especially our project's Instagram account, grew significantly. In just a few weeks, we built a much larger community, reaching nearly 5,000 followers. This has allowed us to connect with cyclists, enthusiasts, and industry professionals who share our passion for innovation and sustainability in the cycling world. This momentum has motivated us even more to continue developing our project, improving every detail, and working towards bringing high-performance bikes to the market at a competitive price, proving that it is possible to manufacture high-quality bicycles using recycled materials and optimized production processes.